when you asked to move us in the crown chakra, I felt a lot of love and affection towards the society to give something back, like feeling a bit emotional. Like now also it was really peaceful. Just one question I'm having, like a few months back I was in India, and there if you go out you can serve people, there are n number of people available. But in these western countries you have to seek for them. Like you will not get people sitting on the roads. Or
we have 5 to 6 projects going on in different parts of Africa, for example, in Nigeria, in Uganda, um, and Tanzania. So different places the projects are going on. I request if you can do something for them, it will be great. Because we are doing a lot of arrangements for them. We are buying them not only food, but we are also buying the something to work on. For example, we are buying the sewing machine for them. We bought around 5 to 6 sewing machine and we given to them so that they start their business and they start earning, because they are nobody supporting them. If you can do that, so we are not feeding them with the food and all, because that will be only one time. How long we can do it, keep on doing that? So we are feeding them with the, so that they can start their own something, the way of earning it. So we are providing them training, and that's the best part. We are providing them training. Our friend Neal is doing organizing all that, and there are so many like people who are along with us as of now. Anybody available now? We want to say hello to the our African friends. Oh, hello. Can you
Hi,
can, can you say in the yeah, we are able to hear you. Can you please speak? Yes.
yeah, I joined the live Zoom for the first time today. And
Oh, okay.
I just had some funny experience on my way out now because I've been driving all along. So I just rescued someone.
Oh, okay.
So I
Okay.
missed some of the sections. I missed some of the section because I tried to rescue someone in it.
Oh, okay. 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 Perfect. So, thank you so much. And we also we want to talk to you even further after the session. We'll be able to talk, right? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much
Yeah,
for
that's
being there.
fine. You can talk to me anytime. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.